Hey guys, Sarah here, everybody's here. Today we're going to be opening up our Fabfitfun box for summer 2019. This is a seasonal box that you get spring, summer, winter, fall, and it's $49.99 for each season. You can customize some of it, but not all of it. Annual members, so people who pay for the whole year up front, they get more choices, more say in their box. This is supposed to be valued at $200 or more, so let's just go ahead and open it up. Real quick, if I don't know if something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always research that, and I put that in the description box down below if you care about that. So this time I got the email to customize, and I didn't see it, and I didn't customize, so I have no idea what's in here. I did not see any spoilers or anything. I had no say in this box, so this is kind of like whatever Fabfitfun decided to give me, so let's just see what's in here. There's always this little book right on top. It's like a little magazine, and then somewhere in here, so like right here is our little guide with everything that we're getting in here, everything we could have gotten, all the choices and that kind of thing. Okay, so they changed up the little format. Before, I used to be able to really tell like the options and things like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got in my box. The first thing I am pulling out is from Grace and Stella. This is the Spray All Day Rose Spray. There's that. It does say it's cruelty free. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. I'm just gonna save this for a giveaway or give it to a friend. I hate the smell of roses. I'm not gonna even take it out of the packaging, just not my thing. And let's see, this is valued at $25.95. Alright, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Eyeko, which is cruelty free. This is the Eyeko I Do Liquid Eyeliner, Line and Enhance in the shade, I assume, black. There's that. I'm not the biggest liquid eyeliner person, but I will go ahead and give it a swatch so we can see what it's like. So it's just like the typical felt tip liquid eyeliner. So you can see you can change the size of the line depending on how much or how little eyeliner you like. This is the color Carbon Black. Okay, this is valued at $22. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. There's that. It does say it's cruelty free on the back. So I guess it's a face mask. Again, something I probably wouldn't pick for myself. I don't enjoy clay masks. I find them very drying, and I have dry skin, so they're just not something I really gravitate towards. So this will probably be going into a giveaway or to a friend. It is valued at $39. So I guess I should mention real quick, because I'm kind of starting to understand this a little more. These two things everybody gets, and then the Eyeko eyeliner. You could have gotten the eyeliner, Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, a mystery item, or Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Jennifer Zeuner Jewelry. I'm not sure how to say that last name. There's a little bag right there. So it's just this necklace. It says it's a double star necklace, and it's valued at $50, which I don't think it's gold. It doesn't say. I don't know. I wouldn't pay $50 for that. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's a little bit of a longer necklace. I don't typically wear gold jewelry, so again, something I'm not going to use. This is just going to go in a giveaway or to a friend. With this option, you could have gotten the necklace, some resistance bands, or a set of 2 silicone wine glasses, which is probably what I would have chose. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out are these Invisibobble traceless hair rings. I do have some of these. I think I got them in a BoxyCharm possibly. I do like them. They're okay. I don't love them though. I just prefer like a regular sort of elastic hairband. These are something that everybody will be getting in their box, and this is valued $16 for 6 of them. So I wouldn't pay that much for hairbands, but that's me. So there's that. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out has seen better days. It's a little damaged, if you can tell. This is from Whish, which I'm pretty sure I've gotten before, and it is cruelty free. This is an exfoliating foot mask. So it smooth, softens with intense hydration. So there's that. I'm not sure. There's my tripod. See that? This is something that everyone is getting, and it's valued at $32. So the next thing I'm pulling out is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. It says on the back it is cruelty free. So, I don't know what this is for. Apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. Oh, so cool. It's like an Aquaphor kind of thing is what I would compare it to. There's that. It's valued at $30, and this was in the same realm as the Eyeko. And that says select member, so I guess I'm a select member. I got this. Okay, let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from 111 Skin. Is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. So there's that. It looks like there's 5 of them in here. Let's kind of see what this looks like. It's a pretty big box for some masks. Okay. So it feels like a gel sort of mask in here is what I would say. Not my favorite kind of mask. I prefer like more of a sheet paper cloth kind of mask to a gel one. I do like the gel ones for like my under eyes, but I don't know if this is even cruelty free. So I will have to look into that. With this option, you could have gotten the masks, West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls, which are really cute. I probably would have picked those. Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, or an Exo Sienna Black Felt Leather Board, like those ones that you like put the little letters on there. I probably would have picked the bowls personally, but I got the masks. Okay, so let's see. The last thing I have in here is some sort of piece of clothing. This is the Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono. So there it is. I know it's like, I can stand up and put it on so you can see just how big it is. It is a one size item, so let's see what it looks like. Okay. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if I would wear it tied. I'm like 5'4", so it goes to like my knees. I would probably just wear it like this if I was gonna wear it. I think it looks better like this personally. I don't see how this is one size. Like, I can't even barely close it on me, and I'm typically a small, medium. So I don't know. It doesn't have room for my butt back there. But it is cute. I like the print, and it looks cute wearing it open like that. So there's that. Okay, and the kimono is valued at $60. Don't think I'd pay that either. With that option, you could have gotten a mini travel blow dryer by Sutra, a Vicks Paula Hermione Lotus towel, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and Brazilian Foreplay moisturizing shower cream gel. Yeah, so that was the options with that. So overall, do I like this box? Not really. This just shows me like the value of like picking the items that you can pick, because there's so many things I'm seeing in this book that I would have preferred to the things I got. So if you can afford to be an annual member, like, it's really worth it in my opinion. You get a little bit of a discount, and you get to pick but you get to pick a lot of things that go in your box. So I think I definitely would have been happier with a lot of other things versus the things I got. I don't think any of the things that I had a choice on would have been the things I would have picked. So there's that, just a little bit of insight from somebody who has picked in the past and who didn't pick this time and kind of regrets it. But yeah, I would love to know what you guys thought of my box. If you get Fabfitfun, if you were able to make better choices than me, what you got in yours. As always, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.